What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Now, if you've been with the channel for any length of time, you know I love my Rustoleum paint jobs. But recently, I've seen a fad going around, and I just had to try it out and jump on it. And that's with this big can right here. Let me show you what we're doing today. So recently, I've been seeing all these turbo can paint jobs, guys, and I had to test it out for myself and see if it was worth the hype. And there's only one real way to do that. I got me a turbo can, I got this new custom 5-in-1 can, and then I got my regular old Rustoleum can. So we're going to compare the spray patterns all today on this hood right here, and we're going to do a full paint job with some pearls. So let's get into it and let's compare these patterns first, because I'm curious to see what this turbo can do. Alright guys, so first things first, the regular old Rustoleum 2X paint and primer. Good old trusty generic Rustoleum. Let's shake this up really good, and first thing we're going to do is just kind of spritz some on the panel so that we can get a good comparison pattern for the Rustoleum stuff. So yeah, that's what we got. Here we go. Alright, so yeah, I mean, it's a simple old Rustoleum pattern, about, I don't know, 2 inches wide. Nothing too crazy, just generic old Rustoleum. So now let's step over to the 5-in-1 can. Alright, now this is a custom 5-in-1 can. So it's supposed to have multiple spray patterns, so we're going to try all them out as well. Alright, I'll start with, it's on 3, so let's see what that is. Okay, so it's a dust coat, much like all the other ones. And then you got a little knob up here, you can switch it. So I'm going to try number 2. Okay, so that's more direct. That's more like your regular standard old Rustoleum pattern. Alright, let's try 1. Alright, that's kind of hazing it more and kind of splitting it out. So let's go the other direction and try 4. Okay, now that's definitely fanning it out. As you can see, the pattern's about twice as wide. I'm really liking number 4 so far. That's kind of my favorite. And 5. Alright, now that's just a straight line. I don't want to go too heavy with 5 because it looks like that would be the one that if you do it, you're going to run it probably. So 4 on this new 5-in-1 is probably my favorite so far. And now, the turbo can. The one she told you not to worry about. I had to say it. Somebody's going to say it. Look at the fan on this, guys. Look at that fan. Thing's like 18 times the size of a regular one. What the heck? How are you supposed to shake this thing? Alright. Oh, hang on. It's finally moving. Alright. So far we got all these various spray patterns. I mean, the biggest one's about 4 inches wide. Now we're going with this monstrosity of a turbo can. Let's see what this thing does. You ready? What the heck? It's like half the daggone panel. Well, the pattern's a little blotchy and a little inconsistent, but I might can make this work. So I'm going to see how quickly I can cover this whole thing with this turbo can. Alright. Let me get my mask on because I've got a feeling I'm going to need it for this. Alright guys, now I got my mask. I'm going to actually take this serious. I've seen a bunch of people do these reviews of the turbo can, and one thing I see consistently is they just mop it on. And I actually want to truly see if I can make this lay down, not get a bunch of runs, and actually make it worth the double the price of the regular can. So let's try it. Let me put my mask on. Alright guys, so here's where I'm at after 1 coat. Now the pattern is a little blotchy, But you saw how quickly I was moving, and down here I think I'm kind of light. But as long as you keep moving quick with the can and you have it shaking up good, it covers pretty good and you don't get those drip runs like I keep seeing everybody get on the video. So, hey, for a whole pattern, y'all saw how quick that was. Let's give it another coat and see if we can get full coverage. Alright guys, so this is after 2 coats, and as you can tell, I got full coverage on this panel. I am using the flat version, that's all they had where I went, so if you notice the dry inconsistency, that's what it is. But after 2 coats, and you saw how quickly I moved, it is covered. Don't mind my little stripe lines or whatever, because, you know, I've done other experiments on this hood. This is just a test hood, but man, how quickly that covered, and man, that definitely saved some times, because if you were using this little can right here with that small pattern, even with this can right here with the double pattern, like 4 inches, I mean, you're taking forever. But with that turbo can, man, that pattern was actually pretty good. As long as you shake it up good and, you know, you move quick, you can get a pretty good layout. All right, let's give this some time to dry, and then we'll have some even more fun. Just one thing I want to note, guys, before we jump over to some other stuff. This turbo can right here, I've used maybe half the can already. Obviously, it throws the paint out, and that's the amount of coverage. So, I mean, it's not too bad for a spray paint can, all things considered. Obviously, it is double the size of a regular can, but all in all, man, I gotta say, this ain't too bad to work with. As like I said, as long as you keep it shaking up good and you move quick, and don't overload one spot too quickly, you can get it to lay out about as good as you can some of the other cans, at least, you know, initially. The problem is if you were to try to actually wet it out and chase the wet line, you can't do it with this turbo can. So like if you just have a project and you just need coverage and you're not worried overall about the finish, you're going to do something over top of it, yeah, this would be great. But you can also put clears, pearls, all kinds of stuff over it, and that's what we're going to do next. So let's get into it. Guys, so we got our Rustoleum turbo can paint job laid down on our hood, and we're good to go for clear and pearls. It's been about 20 minutes to let the spray paint flash off. It flashes off pretty quickly, and I got this Fuji-Sun color shift from Eye Candy Pigments, a very popular brand. I appreciate the owner for sending it out, and I think this will go pretty cool over this hood today. As far as the clear coat I'm using is a Speedo Coat 2K urethane clear. The only clear I recommend over Rustoleum paint jobs for good results and minimal reactions, if any at all, is urethane clear. It always seems to work the best. It mixes 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator, and now I'm going to put half a teaspoon of this Fuji-Sun Pearl in this mix, and we're going to see if we can't do some pearl coats over top of this hood and make it look cool. And before we get to doing that, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Fuji-Sun Color Shift. Let me get to mixing it. And as you can tell, it has all kinds of colors in it. As far as what's going to dominate or what it's going to look like over this black. Black is a good neutral color for color shifts. So either way, it's probably going to look the best over this black. But what all colors it's going to do, after looking at this mix, I have no idea. But there's only one way to find out. Let's load up our paint gun and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so I got this Fuji-Sun Pearl loaded up in my paint gun. This is a V-bore paint gun. It's got a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI. That's wide open trigger if you decide to replicate my settings. I'm going to do a light coat first on this hood just to introduce and make sure everything is kosher. We don't get no reactions. And then we'll do a couple follow-up coats till we get a really cool effect. You get it nice and glossy, and then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. Let's get the spraying. so this is the video for today. Rustoleum turbo can with 2K clear, pearls over top, and man, I mean, it's crazy what you can do with Rustoleum. Obviously, I know the hood's got stripage for all my painters out there. I know it's got dry spray. I know it's got a cross tape line across it. This is just a test hood, guys. I was just going for regular coverage. I wasn't trying to get all the stripes out of it or anything like that. I just wanted you to see the color transition in the Fujisan Eye Candy Pearl, which is very, very cool. And if you want to paint with that pearl or the clear, the gun, anything you saw me use in today's episode, links will be in the description. I am an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments, so I can get you a discount. You can click my link and just use Wall Candy at checkout. That's W-A-W, not W-O-W. But anyways, my final impressions with this turbo can right here. I gotta say, I was thoroughly impressed. Now, I've seen a lot of guys run the crap out of it on their, videos and stuff on YouTube, but honestly, if you move quick and you shake it up good, you can get a good layout pattern, and it definitely saves you time when you're trying to do a big panel like a hood like this. So, all in all, yeah, I can see it being, used for many, many projects, and I think it's good to go. And as far as these other cans too, especially this 5-in-1 can, this won't bad at all. I love the number 4 tip, and I think that's kind of been the general consensus from what I've seen in other videos. It basically doubles the fan width of just your generic old Rustoleum can right here. But hey, this can work good too, guys. So I guess it just depends on you, what your preference is, and what project you're trying to accomplish. But whether you're trying to just paint a fence, or whether you're trying to do a custom pearl paint job, you can do it with Rustoleum. And I appreciate you guys for watching today. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know what you thought about today's video. And yeah, check out some of my other videos. I'm John from Whitley Artworks. I hope you guys will like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.